On your Apple iPhone, you use so many apps, and if you want to know how much time you're spending on each one every day, you can check that right on your iPhone. In this video, we'll show you how to do it. Just open Settings. When you open Settings, you'll see the battery option, tap on Battery. And here you can see your daily usage. Under that, you'll find View All Battery Usage, tap on it, and now you can see every app you've used today. If you don't see any apps listed, just go back, open the app you're curious about, and leave it running for 2 or 3 minutes. Then come back to Settings. Now you should see that app appear. Anyway, select the app you want to check. For example, I'm picking this one, and if you look here, you'll see on screen time. Today I've used YouTube for 36 minutes, and if I want to check past results, you can do that here, last 7 days. Yesterday I used it for 5 hours and 6 minutes, and on some days I've spent as much as 7.5 hours. In my case, the average is around 5.5 to 6 hours. That's just for the YouTube app, and you can check any app this way. So this is how you can easily see how much time you're spending on each app on your Apple iPhone. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found it useful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.